Yeah, then just a quick note, there is another alternative for cleaning water that I also used in the past with great success, but also with devastation. Um, and that is the purification of your water with bleach. The rule of thumb is that you use 1 drop of bleach for every liter of water if it is clear water, and then if it is murky water, you will use 2 drops of bleach in your container to purify the water. Once again, after you've put the 2 drops in, or the drop into the thing, just close it up, let it stand for around about also about half an hour to 45 minutes. Obviously the longer the better, and then that water will be drinkable as well. But once again, it is not going to taste well, it's not going to taste nice, and you will probably don't want to boil it to use that for coffee or something like that. That would be a definite no-no in my view. It is terrible. Yeah, so that would be an option as well.